Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks on technology and apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to view starred messages in WhatsApp on your Android device. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to communicate with your friends and family. The starred messages feature makes it easy to save important messages that you may want to go back to later. Let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, go to the main WhatsApp screen. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Starred Messages. This will take you to a screen where you can view all of your starred messages. You can scroll through the messages to find the one you're looking for, or you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for a specific message. The Starred Messages feature is great for keeping track of important messages that you may need to reference later. You can use it to save messages with important information, such as addresses or phone numbers, or messages that you want to come back to later. To unstart a message, simply long press on the message and select Unstart from the options that appear. It's important to note that the Starred Messages feature is only available for individual chats. You cannot use it for group chats. In conclusion, we hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to view starred messages in WhatsApp on your Android device. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching.